if you have a laptop and you try to log in and you try clicking on the screen and it's not giving you any access to log in, like showing the option where you can insert your password, all you have to do is to hold on to the control key, then Ultra, and delete. Voila, you can see the option to insert your password has popped up. So you just have to insert your password. Let me insert mine. I'm pressing the enter key. As you can see, it's opening. So don't panic when you have this issue. Just hold on to control key, Ultra, and delete, and you automatically have access.